felt, and I'm sure it was difficult. Parang you said na relieve mo yung panic and everything. How did you overcome it? And in a way, did ba, kahit pa paano, this film helped you move forward in a sense?
Yeah. Thank you for that question. Nice seeing you again. Thank you for coming again dito sa press con. It really did help. It was an emotional release for me. And I didn't think it would be. Madali lang i-internalize yung character for this movie. Actually, konti lang yung preparation. No, I just remembered what I felt in those moments. And I actually wrote it down. Kasi hindi ako nagsusulat sa diary or anything. But I actually wrote down what I felt in the different stages of when this scandal was being released. And then I tried to apply it to the character. So yeah, going through the scenes, like I said kanina, I had scenes with our actresses in the movie that I wasn't able to have scenes with in real life. Syempre, I wasn't able to confront the girl or stuff like that. So parang, in this movie, I was able to confront the girl. So parang siyang therapy in a way for me kasi nilabas ko lahat ng emotions na I really did want to say to the girl. Kasi the biggest question I had for the scandal girl is, bakit? Why did you do it? Gusto ko malaman eh. Because maybe then I can feel some empathy for her in some way or another. And sa conversation namin ni Karen when she breaks the news na may scandal ako, she was able to explain herself. Siyempre in the moment wala akong pakialam sa problems niya kasi she's breaking the law and releasing it. And I'm in the movie, parang I'm a artist ako, actor ako, so it is a really big deal for me as well as being Alex in the movie.
And then last question na lang sa'yo, Nico. You mentioned na nag-usap na kayo for 2 months. And I guess besides yung syempre the anxiety na lalabas yung scandal, you mentioned you trusted her na. So parang, would you consider na kaya rin siya masakit? Would you have considered her already as a friend? Or parang what was the nature yung relation ninyo? Getting to know you?
More on getting to know you. It was very friendly. Pero kasi, I'm the type of person I need to have a social connection before getting to that point of intimacy. So parang, yeah, we were able to talk to each other and I was able to get to know her enough to feel safe.
Right.
Kaya, that's partly why nalungkot ako.
Yeah.
Kasi I felt safe and I trusted somebody and then they betrayed me. I think that's what hurt the most.